Cadillac, man. Definitely cushy and comfy, unlike any other bus I've owned. Mom, I'm home! So we call this bus the double-double. It has 2 gas tanks up and in here on each side. It has 2 shocks on each side, 2 fuse boxes, 1 for all the main electrical system, 1 for all the stuff on top, 2 batteries, and of course, parcel trays. And that's what we call a double-double. So, you know, you have to be all contained at the Shasta trip, parts in case you break down, and all your food and water. So we got 2 plastic containers, 1 with camping gear, the other one all full of VW parts, a jack, extra gasoline, so we run 22 gallons on the tank and 5 upstairs, so we got 27 gallons of gas. We get about 12 miles of the gallon off-road. This whole thing is completely insulated. The heating system is completely insulated front to rear, so this thing burns pretty hot. So it's just a stock engine with 90.5 pistons with the 2 batteries. We used a Type 3 muffler. It came off a larger diameter. We actually raised it, so when we do water crossings, muffler's a little bit higher. There's skid plates all the way across the bottom, front, middle, and rear. Robert Skinner saved us. Our engine blew up with like less than 500 miles on it. We get to our meeting point, we couldn't do the trip. Skinner gave us an engine. We were up till 2 or 3 in the morning, but whatever. Skinner saved us, we were able to do the trip. It was awesome. So that's why he gets right front and center there.